Hey guys, welcome back to 25 CPs. Today is day 1 of Nailmas, which means we're going to start the month off with a fun Christmas manicure. And today I'm showing you how to create these festive Christmas palm trees. First up, you want to start with a light blue base. I am using Heroine's Pika Blue as my base. For all of the art, I'm going to be using acrylic paint, and first off, I'm starting with kind of a tan brown shade, and here we are going to start the trunk of the palm tree. So I'm using just a fine nail art brush, and I'm doing just that with the tan brown. And now I'm going to go in with a darker brown and kind of just put some details. I kind of want some lines going across, I want some lines down the side, just really to create some texture. And this does not have to be exact by any means. You want it to kind of go off the line so it looks more authentic like a real palm tree. Then we're going to go in with a light green and make our palm fronds. And we are going to be using another green later, so you want this shade to be lighter. And as you can see here, I'm not worrying about the exact details of it. We're just kind of wing it and put those on, and then we're going to put some little very fine little lines at the top of the fronds, which you guys will see right now as I'm putting them at the top. It kind of just gives the texture as the pieces of the palms that go back behind what you're seeing up front. Now I'm going in with like a mossy green, and I am mimicking the same thing I already did, doing thinner strokes just to give it a fuller look, because when you look at a palm tree you really do get multiple greens, and I just thought that was the most accurate way to paint a palm tree. Now after that, I'm going to grab a black acrylic paint and I'm going to put the strings of lights on here. So I'm basically just making lines around the tree, and I'm going over the tree a little bit and pulling it back behind to create the swirl look. And now I'm just going in with a yellow acrylic paint and dotting in the lights. These do not have to be light shaped, and you could change this up if you wanted to and put actual colors. So for the next step, I'm just putting in the ornaments. I'm going to use red and a turquoisey blue, but you guys could use whatever you want, and I'm using a dotting tool to do this as well. After that is done, I'm just going to go in with some gold acrylic paint and add some details to the ornaments. Nothing like super detailed, just some dots or some lines to give it a little sparkle, so when I move my nails I'll see it. Then when I'm all done, I'm going to cover it all with a matte top coat, and that is it. After you've done that on all of your nails, you are done. And here's your final look at our Christmas palm trees, which I absolutely loved and totally enjoyed wearing. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed day 1. Be sure to head back here tomorrow for day 2, because there's something new every day up until Christmas, which I'm pretty excited about. So again, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!